FoodFinder is an interactive map to help you find local food resources in Strathcona County. This map is a pilot project created by the county's Food Security Action Table. Having access to nutritious and affordable food is a critical part of supporting the well-being of individuals, families, and communities. When you open FoodFinder, a short welcome message will appear with instructions on how to use the map. Listings are organized into 7 categories: food rescue and waste, growing food, grocery and market, food access and supports, learning and workshops, and other food connections. You can explore what each category means by clicking the Category Info button or clicking the map legend. To use the map, you can click and drag the map or swipe on your phone, zoom in and zoom out. Click the icons on the map to open more details. Scroll the menu to browse listings. Select Reset Map button to start fresh. Use the category filters to narrow down results. Use the subcategory filter to search by retailer type. Search by keywords. For example, type in a search word like gluten-free and press enter. To search for resources near a specific location, use Find Food by Distance. Enter the distance you would like to search within. Select the point icon, then type in an address in the Find Address or Place box, and place the pin on the map to generate a list of food resources near your location. You can also switch between List View or Map View, depending on what works best for you. Additional features include additional resources, find mobile apps, virtual services, and online directories. Add or edit a resource if you know of a resource we missed or spot something that's no longer accurate. Use the Add a Submission button to suggest a new listing, edit an existing one, or report a closure. Food Finder Strathcona is a community-led resource created to empower you with information so you can access food that meets your individual needs. Whether you want to learn about the different farmers markets, find a place to learn new food skills, or locate a food pantry, this tool was created for you. Visit strathcona.ca/foodfinder for more information and resources.